In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a space in Gmail. Spaces are like group chats built right into Gmail, and they're perfect for organizing conversations with a team, a class, a club, or any group that needs a shared place to talk and stay on the same page. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can set one up in just a minute. Start by opening Gmail. On the left side, you'll notice a thin vertical sidebar with three main sections: Mail, Chat, and Meet. Mail is where your inbox lives, Meet is for video calls, and Chat is for one-to-one messages and spaces. Click Chat to switch into the chat view. If you've never used it before, this view gives you quick access to messages and, importantly, the option to create a space. Once you're in the chat section, look for the option to start a new chat. This usually appears as a new chat button or icon. Click that. A small menu or panel will open with different ways to begin a conversation. From that list, choose Create a Space. This is the option that sets up a dedicated group area, distinct from a one-on-one chat, so everyone in the group can see messages, files, and updates in one place. Now you'll be prompted to name your space. Pick a clear, descriptive name that helps everyone recognize the purpose at a glance. For example, you might use something like Project Launch Plan, Weekly Team Sync, or Study Group. Short, specific names make it easier to find and keep your conversations organized later on. If your organization uses naming conventions, follow those for consistency. After you enter the name, click Create. That's it. The space is now set up. You'll land inside the new space, ready to start your first message. From here, you can invite the people who need to be part of the conversation, share files relevant to your topic, and keep discussions organized by topic threads. If you're collaborating regularly, encourage everyone to post updates in the space rather than scattering messages across individual chats or emails. It helps reduce confusion and keeps your work centralized. A couple of tips as you get started. If you don't see the chat section, your Gmail layout might be different, or chat could be turned off in settings by your organization. Also, the interface on mobile may look slightly different from the desktop, but the flow is the same. Go to Chat, start a new chat, and choose Create a Space. And that's all you need to create a space in Gmail. Name it, click Create, and you're ready to collaborate.